Hello everyone. For today, our group will be present about project design for engineering specialty DCC 50232. First thing first, I will introduce myself. My name is Dayang Saryat and my registration number is 07DKA 20F 2027. First thing first, I will tell you about the table of content, which is the things we will present in our video. First thing first is we will present about the introduction. Second, responsibility and role of an IOW. Third is basic role IOW, qualification and skill requirement to register as IOW, and last but not least is conclusion of this project design. So now I will present about Inspector of Work IOW. A work inspector can be defined as a person registered with the Malaysian Architect Board (LAM) or Malaysian Engineering Board (BEM). IOW who is registered under LAM is called Architectural LOW IOW. It's mandatory for an application who has a diploma in civil engineering to register as a public work inspector IOW. If he wants to take up a job as a public work inspector, the register of IOW would be under the four main engineering discipline, which is civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and chemical engineering.
Hi, my name is Eva Najiha binti Abdul Razak, registration number 07DKA20F 2005. Now we're going to the part of responsibility and roles of an IOW. First is the duty of the Public Work Inspector, which is IOW is to supervise the construction of buildings, ensuring the quality and use of materials according to specification. Next is IS, an officer who protects the interests of the employer by being the eyes and ears of the negotiator and supervises the work carried out by the contractor. Then, IS under the direction of the architect has no legal responsibility. Fourth is the function of the IOW is to check the materials used and to ensure the quality of the work done on behalf of the architect. Last but not least, monitor the progress of the work and also reduce any possible construction delays. That's all. There are basic roles of IOW. First, supervise works on a site is to ensure compliance with contract drawings and specifications. Second is conduct inspections and tests is to ensure compliance with the quality standards specified in the contract. Third is approving incoming materials that comply with the list of approved materials in terms of standard and specifications. Last but not least, assist the architect in carrying out detailed inspections and measurement for proper certification. That's all. Thank you.
So hello, good morning. My name is Maxine Fabian. My registration number is 07DKA20F2091. So now we're going to the part of qualification and skill requirement to register as IOW. First, it is require a diploma or degree in architecture science, architecture technology, building science or building technology, or other related field of study approved by LAM, followed by recognized work experience depending on the level of IOW set. Second is new IOW applicant must be registered as an IOW intern and must work under the supervision of a registered engineer or engineering engineer with the prescribed minimum experience. Last but not least, the role is to assist his immediate superior in his supervision, and he is not authorized to certify the completion of the site work by the contractor during the internship, which will be conducted by his superior. Now we're going to the conclusion of the project. The employee needs to ensure that all employees follow the standard operating procedure in order to avoid incidents that do not occur during the project site. Additionally, the responsible officer must always make inspection at the project site so that the project runs smoothly and can avoid any possibility construction delay. Finally, the registration IOW work inspection must be responsibility, ethically, and in accordance with the law according to the code of conduct set by the board.